We won the game from Enzo Maresca tactics. We won the game from Enzo Maresca starting 11. We won the game from the dressing room. Guys, Enzo Maresca made sure that, you see Cole Palmer, he was dropping deep. To some extent, João Pedro, our striker, was dropping deep. When it comes to set pieces, yes, he defended some ball. It was long ball. João Pedro came and he just shoot it to the corner side. So we made sure that everybody was attacking. At the same time, everybody was defending. Cole Palmer was dropping deep. Yes, Neto was coming back. The other winger, yes, and Enzo Fernandez and Moses Casado, they conquered the midfield. This game, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, happy day to all Chelsea fans around the world. Chelsea fans, we are celebrating, yes, and we deserve everything. Guys, I'm telling you, Chelsea didn't just beat PSG. Chelsea beat the world. The game was against the world versus Chelsea. At the end, Chelsea showed the world that indeed we are a big club. Indeed, we are bigger than PSG. See, I don't understand sometimes how some people analyze football. Guys, I don't understand. Like, it looks like most of today's fans, they started watching football just 2020. Yes, like they didn't know the Chelsea they were talking about. When you look at leading to this game, when you look at most pundits, the way they analyze this game, see, they will come and talk about the good side of PSG. PSG have Dembele, they have who, they have Vitinha, and nobody will talk about Chelsea. Who is Casado in Chelsea? Who is Cole Palmer in Chelsea? Who is Cucurella in Chelsea? Nobody was talking about the good side of Chelsea. Everybody was talking about PSG can do this, they can do that, they can, because they beat Real Madrid and Inter Milan for that matter. They concluded everything. Nobody gave Chelsea a single chance of winning this game. I don't understand how some people analyze football. Yes, we know there is agenda. Yes, we know there is against. You can do your, yes, against. If you're Arsenal fan or Man U fan or what and what, you don't want Chelsea to win. Yes, we know that. It's part of football. As I'm speaking now, I don't want any good thing to come from Man U or Arsenal. But see, to be real, in reality, when you look at this, our Chelsea team, our current squad, and look at this PSG team, currently, they are not better than Chelsea. And not because we won. If you go and see my previous video leading to this game, I said it that any weapon that we have a solution to that. Any problem that this PSG team have, we have a solution to that. I said it here. So this PSG team, I don't see, even if we are going to play the game today, we are going to beat PSG again. If they say, okay, Chelsea, now we are going to restart the game. You didn't win the cup. You didn't win the trophy. So let's play the game again. I swear we are going to beat PSG. See, I'm not swearing for that. I am a Muslim. I don't swear for anyhow. We are going to beat them today, tomorrow, and tomorrow next. We have everything that they can bring. We can stop them. And see, guys, some people started apologizing. Yes, I'm telling you. Some pundits started apologizing. We don't want your apology. Keep your apology to yourself. That is how we like it in the town, Chelsea fans. That is how we want it. Anytime that the world dropped Chelsea, anytime that the world called Chelsea underdogs, we always prevail. We always show them that we are Chelsea, we are big. We are big. So we don't want any apology from anybody. You predicted that they will beat Chelsea. Some people were even saying 7-0, 8-0, what and what. See, we beat the PSG. That beat Real Madrid 4-0. See, almost Inter Milan, Inter Miami, 4-4-4-4. This competition. Chelsea won't catch them in the final. 1-2-3. 1-2-3 nil. They could not score a single goal. And do you even know what I like about this game? We didn't just beat them. We beat them and humiliate them. Like we beat them and humble them. We beat them and let them know that we are not meat. Chelsea and PSG, we are not meat. We just beat them and made everything of them dysfunction. Nothing worked for them in that game, including their manager tactics. We will come to Enzo Maresca tactical masterclass in this game. So please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And let's come to our players, the whole team, the whole players, including the medical department, everybody around Chelsea, including we the fans. See, one thing I like about our Chelsea players leading to this game, they accepted the reality. Leading to this game, when you listen from Reece James, Liverpool, almost all the players, Gusto and co, see, they accepted the reality. They said that, okay, this PSG team is the best team in Europe. They accepted and gave the respect to PSG. But we are winning the final, but we are winning the trophy. They accepted that, okay, we are going this game as underdogs, as not being the favorite, but we are going there to surprise the world. Rich James said it. Liverpool even said that we are not Real Madrid or Inter Milan or who and who. We are going there to win. Like the belief leading to this game from our players was amazing. When I listened from them, like it gave me more hope. For me, I know that we're going to beat this PSG team because I know my Chelsea. See, and this game exposed some football fans. They don't watch football games. They only watch the most world tournament, Champions League, and just come and bring their conclusion. See, most fans who were predicting that they are going to beat Chelsea, they are not watching Chelsea games. Today I'm telling you, you see how they are hypocritical behavior. They don't know this Chelsea team. That's why you see that they can come and talk about Vitinha, they can come and talk about Dembele, but nobody will talk about who is Cole Palmer in this Chelsea team. Nobody will talk about who is Caicedo or who is Chalobah or Liverpool or who is Cucurella. They are not watching Chelsea. Hypocrites. The agenda, I don't know the reason why, especially English fans or Premier League football fans, they hate Chelsea so much. One come to representing Chelsea well in European competition. One come to representing England well in European competition. Chelsea, we are doing it. Anytime that we go outside there, we represent Chelsea well. So even if you were to hate any club, not Chelsea, not a team who always represent England very well in European competition. So I don't know why the hate is too much. See guys, as I said, if they bring PSG today, we are beating them again. And the players, them accepting the reality, understood that PSG is the best team in Europe, and they came out with a solution to their problems. We watch this game. What did PSG do in this game? See, Cucurella pocketed Kvaratskhelia. Gusto we were adopting in this game have a super fantastic game. Gusto gave assist to the first goal. Gusto stopped Dembele. And Neto was overlapping back. Yes, Neto was coming back to help or to mark Hakimi, to put Hakimi off. So that is why I say, see, this our play. They have done a marvelous job in this game. They came to this game with a plan. And Enzo Maresca tactics, see, the tactics won this game. Enzo Maresca tactics won us this game. See, comfortable, I'm telling you. We won the game from Enzo Maresca tactics. We won the game from Enzo Maresca starting 11. We won the game from the dressing room. Guys, Enzo Maresca made sure that, you see Cole Palmer, he was dropping deep. To some extent, João Pedro, our striker, was dropping deep. Won't come to set pieces. Yes, he defended some ball. It was long ball. João Pedro came and he just shoot it to the corner side. So we made sure that everybody was attacking. At the same time, everybody was defending. Cole Palmer was dropping deep. Yes, Neto was coming back. The other winger, yes, and Enzo Fernandez and Moses Caicedo, they conquered the midfield. This game, because of Moses Caicedo, in this game, we didn't see their Vitinha, we didn't see their João Neves, their Fabian Ruiz. To some extent, they got frustrated. They got a red card. That João Neves or who the world was saying that they are going to do what and what to Chelsea. At the end, we frustrated them. To some extent, they had a red card. See, this Chelsea team, we have a future. The future is bright. Next season, we are going to do something. Next season, we are going to do something. We can win the Champions League and we can win the Premier League. And let's come to another tactical aspect of this game. See, guys, PSG came to this game with only one thing. And Chelsea, we came to this game with two things. What are the things? PSG came to this game with only to win, to beat Chelsea. For them, they came to say that, okay, because we beat Real Madrid, we beat Arsenal, we beat Liverpool, and for that matter, Chelsea is not going to save. See, we are beating Chelsea. They came with beating Chelsea mentality. And do you know what Chelsea came to or brought in this game? Chelsea came with stopping PSG and then beating PSG. First of all, we came to this game, we are going to stop PSG. We know they have powerful wingers, we know they have powerful midfielders, but we are going to stop PSG. So Chelsea came to this game stopping PSG, and then after stopping PSG, we went ahead and scored our goals. We went ahead and win the game. So PSG came to this game with only one mentality: beating Chelsea. No matter how we are beating Chelsea, PSG, that is the mentality they came with this game. But Chelsea, we came with, first of all, we must stop them. After stopping them, we can then go ahead and score our goals. So when they came, when the game started and they saw that, oh, Chelsea, the way the game is going on, we can't play. So They saw that their tactics cannot work. That they got confused. They could not play. Like everybody was confused, including their manager, because they came with a tactical plan, and we also came with solution to their tactical plan. And our solution works. We got them. See, this game, Enzo Maresca got them 100%. Enzo Maresca just predicted them 100%. See, this is why football is a tactical game. They came with a plan to dominate the game. They came with a plan to use their wings at their midfield, and we came with a plan and stop them. So they didn't come with a plan to stop Chelsea. As I said, they only came with a plan to beat Chelsea. So since they didn't come with a plan to stop Chelsea, when we started scoring our goals, they could not do anything. Look at the goal that Kopama scored. Look at the chipping from Pedro Neto, the best signing in this summer. Pedro Neto, look at the goal. Like, they didn't saw Chelsea winning this game because they didn't come with the solution, yes, to stop Chelsea. Yes, so they were surprised. They could not do anything. And as I said, if today again, we are going to play the game again, we are beating PSG. We are beating PSG. Any day, anytime we meet PSG, we are beating them. Chelsea and PSG. See, I don't know the reason why nowadays people we are so lazy and we easily forget. This PSG team, they nearly booted out this season Champions League that they just won. They nearly not qualify because they beat City. They play off before qualifying. I don't know how people nowadays we are so lazy, we can easily forget. Yes, or I don't know, because they hate Chelsea, they don't want Chelsea to win. This PSG, they beat City, yes, during the playoff and qualify. It isn't that PSG started the campaign very well. No, Arsenal even beat them in the UEFA Champions League. But Arsenal is Arsenal. When it matters, you will not see them. Arsenal is not like Chelsea. So guys, this PSG team, they are good. They are good. But Chelsea, we are better than them. We are gooder than them. Yes, if that English word can stand, gooder. We are gooder than this PSG team. And as I said, see, our players, let's congratulate them for accepting the reality, for accepting that. See, in this world, sometimes our expectation always kill us. In this world, when you accept the reality, see, you are not going to suffer. Yes, sometimes higher expectation always give us or put us into trouble. Leading to this game, all the players accepted that PSG, they are better than us, they are the favorite, but we are beating them, we are stopping them, and that is what we saw in this game. So congratulations to our players, and congratulations for the tactical masterclass from Enzo Maresca stopping Luis Enrique. And with the Chelsea fans, congratulations to all of us for believing Chelsea. Go and watch all my videos. Yes, leading to this game, I told you that we are beating PSG. And another video is coming. I will mention your name, your score prediction. I know most of you got it right. Yes. See, in this world, always believe. Always believe. Yes. Push. See, God is not Chelsea fan. God is not PSG fan. God is not Manchester United fan or Arsenal fan. If you do the right thing, God is going to help you. So in this world, no matter or whatever you are doing, make sure that you push to the limit. Push until the bones are rotten. You are getting it right, guys. Congratulations to all Chelsea fans around the world, and please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Another video is coming, yes, after Chelsea fantastic performance, and as I said, I will mention your names and your score prediction. Yes, so please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.